What's your name?
Hi, what's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Are you Jack Reynolds?
Yep.
What do you like to play with, Jack Reynolds?
I'm a toy.
And what are your favorite toys?
Great.
What trains do you like?
Murdoch.
Who's Murdoch?
No, Murdoch.
Are there any other trains you like to play with?
Yeah.
Do you have any kitty cats or any pets?
Yeah.
What are their names?
Banana.
And what is your dad's name?
Papa.
And what's your mama's name?
Mimi.
Yeah, and what do you call your grandma and grandpa?
Papu. And Grandma.
Yeah. Granny Goo?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Do you go to school, Jack Reynolds?
Yeah.
Where do you go to school?
I got somewhere else go on school.
And what's the name of your school? Is it a Montessori school?
Yeah.
Do you sing any songs at Montessori?
Yeah.
Like what? Can you sing me a song?
I want
Montessori.
Montessori. And we go to working question. And we know the lesson.
Hey, did you see a movie called The Lorax?
Yeah.
Did you like the movie?
Yeah.
Who did you go see the movie with?
Captain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And was his mom there?
Yeah.
What do you call his mom? What do you call his mom? Mrs. Z?
Yeah.
Mrs. Z? She's a nice lady, huh?
Mr. Mom.
Yeah, that's Keston's mom and Mason's mom, right? Yeah. Are you dancing a little bit? Are you dancing?
I can pay.
You gonna brush your teeth? Okay, let's brush our teeth. Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
See you later.
Bye, everyone.